Hi there, I hope you're enjoying Appy Picking Month here on Speech Techie, and today I'm going to highlight an app that you might not know much about or what it's used for. It's the Videos app. The Videos app comes with your operating system. It's not something you need to download, um, but often it can be a little confusing because if you make a video with your own camera, it doesn't actually go in the Videos app, it goes into Photos. And there's other apps where you can export videos and make and export videos. Those also go into, excuse me there because I'm syncing at the same time, those videos also go into the Photos app. So what is the Videos app used for? How could it potentially be useful? Just going to do a quick overview in the next couple of minutes. I plugged my iPad into my computer here, which is part of what I'm going to be showing you because I've got iTunes on this computer. And when you go in and do that, it may not be a computer you usually sync your iPad to. Maybe you're using iCloud or you sync it to something else. The computer will want to sync. It doesn't do that automatically if you don't usually sync to that computer. But I just want to point out that you can just cancel that process here. Okay, so I went into iTunes and just hit the X, and then that is canceled. Okay, so the reason I'm talking about videos today is sometimes you can download videos and then put them on your iPad because, say, maybe YouTube is blocked in your school or your setting, or maybe you just want to have a video from the internet available on your iPad. So recently I talked about the new resource, I'll bring it up here, Flummox and Friends. And their website for Flummox and Friends actually lets you download the video, and you could use the process I'm about to show in order to get that over into your Videos app on the iPad. So from here on the Watch the Show, there's the show, but it also has a link to download the episode to watch anytime or download in HD, which would just mean it's bigger. Okay. I'm giving a workshop this week, and I want to show my pal Chris Bouguet's video on UDL explained, and I'm not sure I'll have a really good internet connection where I'm presenting, so I'm actually going to put this into my Videos app. If you don't have access to YouTube at school, this is a process you could use also to download a YouTube clip. Okay, the website I'm going to use, so there are a number of these available. Let me just load it up fresh. To you, I'm going to show savevid.com, which lets you download a video from YouTube, as long as the uploader of the video allows that. There are some videos that they don't. The owner of the video didn't want that, and they disable that option. So all I did here was I copied the URL of this video at YouTube. Just went up here and highlighted it. Go here, edit, copy, or you can do Command C or Control C if you're on a PC. This process will also work on PCs. And then tap download. Okay, the first time you do this, you'll have to do a little Java approval because this uses Java. And if you have trouble with this process, you may want to update the Java on your computer. You can do that just by going update Java. Okay, or on Macs, that comes up in your necessary updates in the App Store. If there's a Java update, it will be here in the App Store. Okay, I do have a software update there, but it's not Java. So I'm going to just show that. Okay, it gives you a number of choices for videos. I'm just going to choose the MP4 one. You can see, this one's going to be very high quality and large. I'm just going to use an MP4 one. So that immediately starts downloading it. I'm in Chrome here, so that gives me a little preview in Google Chrome of the download. And where that goes to is the downloads folder on my computer. So I'll let that finish up there. Now, the next thing I need to do is I want to get this to my iTunes, the video I want to put in my iTunes library. Okay, so I'm going to go File, Add to Library, which will prompt me to find the file, which is in my downloads. And it's called UDL Explain. There are a lot of things in my downloads. And it's right here. And I'm going to say Open. And then it just imported UDL Explained. Okay, now here's the step that's going to get this video into my Videos app and save it on my iPad. Right from Movies, that's where I am in iTunes, I can simply drag this file over, and notice over here my iPad is highlighted now. So when I drop that off, we see a little syncing process that's happening. And I'm going to let that happen. And you can see that all of the movies that I have here, including one that I downloaded from iTunes, The Hunger Games, is available on my iPad. So if I wanted to play the video, I'm simply going to tap the video there and hit the play button, and it will play. So this is a workaround for if you don't have a good internet connection and you want to be able to show a movie, or if you don't have access to YouTube and you got some great identified language stimulating videos that you would like to be able to use and just keep on your iPad, you can do it this way. So good luck. Thanks a lot.